Welcome to our comprehensive guide on installing and setting up Sidestore on your iPhone or iPad. Let's dive into the exciting world of iOS customization. Before we begin, let's check the system requirements for installing Sidestore on your device. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running iOS version 14 or higher. Next, it's time to download Sidestore from a trusted source. Visit the official Sidestore website and click the download link. Once downloaded, you'll need to trust the Sidestore app through your device settings. Go to Settings, General, Device Management, and find Sidestore. Now, let's walk through the initial setup process. Open Sidestore and familiarize yourself with its user-friendly interface. Explore the variety of apps and tweaks available in Sidestore. There's something for everyone. To install apps or tweaks safely from Sidestore, simply select what you want and click Install. It's that easy. Managing your installed applications is straightforward. You can easily update or delete apps you've added. If you encounter any installation issues, check your internet connection and ensure your device meets the requirements. In conclusion, maintaining your Sidestore setup is key to enjoying a smoother iOS experience. Keep your apps updated and always download from trusted sources.